when they made that decree, it only takes 30 days to kill your prayer life. They said for the next 1 month, no prayer. It takes one December holiday to destroy your prayer life. On that day when the decree was made, Daniel opened the windows, released a cry. The Bible says the sound was heard all over Babylon. It was not the sound, it was the sound of another dimension. That is the sound that ruled Babylon. By the time he was getting in the den of lions, even the lion had heard the sound. How can I eat the one that produces sound? If you are 25 years and above, you cannot rely on the prayers of your mother. 25, destiny is personal, life is personal, battles are personal.